Gold prices set another record yesterday, hitting the highs at 36.77-78 levels. If you recall, I had mentioned that beyond 36.60, the chances of 36.78-80 will be very, very high, while silver stayed in a zone. But what we had seen later in the day is a good pullback, a much required pullback, all the way towards 36.20 in gold and towards 40.70 in silver. So, what to expect today? Can we say that now the prices have peaked? Are we looking forward to a reversal, or it is going to rally again? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. Again, the PPI data later in the day before the US session will bring much volatility here. Which direction Meta's gonna take, where to enter, where to exit, we're gonna see here. And this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly chart, see what it has done. This was a dip towards the 50 period here. 50 period offered it a good support. It is trying to break out. Now what will happen? Yes, if you see it is staying above 36.50, it might try to rise again towards the highs. Yes, see, this was the last time we have seen such pullback towards 50 period, and again the price is zoomed. And see what is happening here. Here also it is taking the support and it might try to zoom here, but too early to conclude with that. Now let's have a look at the near term, see what has happened. 50 period offering it a good support, 20 period offering it a good resistance here. Now if you see it is staying above 36.40-42, you can initiate the buys here, but I will say 36.40-42 and 36.50-52, this is going to be the first zone which is going to offer a very, very good resistance to gold here. And if it trades beyond 36.50-52, you can say now it might again try to scale towards the highs. This is one possibility you should watch out for. See, right now I can see a good resistance here in this zone. Let's see if it breaks this. Stochastic rising, the MACD is traded enough bearish, waiting for it to converge crossover. RSI almost flat. On the 2 hour charts, it is just a retracement towards 20 period. It is consolidating around 20 period here. Now notice on the downside 36.20 is the support. It has to trade below, because below 36.20 we are going to see gold all the way towards 3600 and 3580 levels. This is the zone gold needs to breach on the downside in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. Right now it is not suggestive of such a strong bearish move, but yes, I'll wait for it to trade below 36.20, which will confirm the next move here. Stochastic rising after a good drop. Look at MACD, it has created twin top and since then it has traded bearish looking downwards. This is what we had discussed in our updates yesterday as well. Let's see, it has formed a twin top, possibility of a down move will be higher. Now it is going to be interesting for us that how it behaves as this zone. Can it form a triple top? That is what we will watch out for. RSI has come towards a comfortable zone. Coming to 3 hour charts. Now on the 3 hour charts, this is a beautiful 20 period support here. And since the support, it is trying to bounce back. Also notice the support it is getting at 36.30 level. So what you can do, in fact, you can sell at 36.28, but with caution till towards 36.20 levels. If it trades below 36.20, the possibility will be very, very high that we will see gold at 3635.80 levels very, very soon. Also notice, see, if you look at the move here, you can see this. Every time it shows a rise, it just retraces towards 20 period, and this time it's no other exception. So this time it is again possible that we may see a move towards the highs here, which is right now positioned at 3700 mark. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. Now if you see the MACD here on the 3 hour charts, again a twin top, and see the downside is wide open here. Definitely this is a point of concern for the bulls, because see, right now it is looking downwards, it is staying bearish. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, notice diminishing bearishness. You can see the preceding few candles leaving tails here, and then this greener candle has appeared. This may confirm a possible reversal, but for this to confirm a possible reversal, price need to trade beyond 36.50-52, and then we can expect it to rise high. Else it has still got the potential to deliver another red candle here, moving all the way towards 3620, 3600 mark. Let's see. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness and looking downwards. Also, this is coming from the extremes here. This increases the possibility of a down move. See, these are the extremes we have not seen in last, you can say, few months. This was the last time during the geopolitical conflict situation when we had seen such highs. So let's wait. Today's move is going to be interesting. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone again, a slight bearish sign here. Coming to daily on the daily charts, notice since the consolidation narrowing triangle, it has delivered a breakout, and this is a good breakout. This is continuing with the move here. Notice what has happened yesterday. We have seen a good pullback. The body size has got smaller, suggests that the price is not willing to stay bullish. But see today, delivering lower highs, it is trying to bounce back. It is possible for gold to hit 36.50.52, and then you can expect 36.60, but I will say till 36.60 the possibility of a reversal will be very very high. Now what confirms a reversal here? So once it trades below 36.20, it is possible for gold to erase the gains from this candle, which means 3600 3580 mark. And if it does trade below 3580, remember the downside is wide open all the way towards 20 period moving average, all the way towards 3500 mark. Trading with too much of divergence calls for it to start converging sooner. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought trying to cool down. The MACD is trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. The RSI is again back to overbought zone. So considering this, where to buy, where to sell, before I give you the levels, if you are willing to learn art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch starting 15th of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Do not miss this opportunity. See, learning is the only investment which can give you profits throughout life. As also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can profit. Connect with me for queries. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. With this, I will recommend you to now buy at 36.40.42 zone. You can expect it to move towards 36.48, 36.54, and then 36.60. Till here it's fine, it has got good resistances. Beyond 36.68, I will look forward to 36.68.70 and 36.78.80. Now the zone, the levels are getting far here. Till here it is a narrow resistances, which means it is definitely going to be difficult, but once it scales beyond this, the bullishness is going to increase, and beyond 36.78.80 we are looking forward to 37.10 levels. Keep a note of this. Yes, if it rallies from here, it is going to deliver a stronger move. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 36.30.28 levels. If you see it is staying below this, expect 36.20. And if at all gold trades below 36.20, I will look forward to a move towards 3600 mark and then 3580 mark. Below 3580, we are going to see a stronger down move all the way towards 3550 and lower levels. Yes, if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, we have discussed this several times. It is delivering higher lows, higher highs. This is a moderately bullish channel. And yes, this is the box which it has to come out of, which means either it has to trade above 4150 or to trade below 4050. This is a dollar zone which it has to surpass any which ways. Right now it is positioned at the median here. Now see, moving averages have crossed over here, trading with slight divergence, and it has come down towards the resistance here. So what you can do when you see silver above 4110, you can buy, expect it to move towards 4125, 4140, and then you can see a good rise if it trades beyond 4140 levels. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD, since hitting the bottom, it has crossed over. This is a supportive sign for further rise. RSI rising as well. If you look at 2-hour charts, what has happened on the 2-hour chart? See this, a good drop, a bounce back, and it is trying to rise further, which means it is itching hard to move towards 4110, 4125 levels, or in fact 4140 will be seen, but certainly till 4110 I will not recommend you to buy silver here. Moving averages have started to converge but not yet crossed over. The stochastic rising, the MACD has seen enough bearishness waiting for it to converge crossover. RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See the support it has taken from the 50 period. It has got a very good support here, trying to rise here. See moderate bullishness. Look at the preceding candle and the current one. I'll definitely watch out how it closes the current candle. And yes, also notice lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. So only bullishness is if you see it is staying beyond 4140 levels, and then you can expect 4140, 4150 should be a very very good resistance. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is trying to look upwards. On the 4-hour charts, and you see the price is traded below 20 period. and this increases the potential to move towards the 50 period, which is sitting at 40.50. And remember, friends, any drop below 40.50, 40.40 should confirm the next down move in silver all the way towards 39.80 levels. Stochastic trying to bounce back, MACD bearish, RSI is flat here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, if you look at the move for the last few sessions, you can find out, see the rise, then a pullback, then rise. There was a reversal sign here. Since then, we have seen a good swing and a pullback. So still it is confining itself within a zone. Very, very important for silver to trade below 40.75, 40.50 zone. 40.50, 40.40 is going to be the most crucial zone here on the downside, while 41.40, 41.50 on the upside is going to be the most strongest resistance here. So this complete a dollar zone is getting critical for silver here. Any drop below 40, 40, 40, 50 should invite a stronger bearish move here. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green and it has hit a peak as well, waiting for a crossover. RSI looking downwards, signs of bearishness here. So considering this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 41.10. The lower price has to be above 41.10. Expect 41.25, 41.40, 41.50 levels. If this is taken, you can stay bullish for 41.75 and $42 zone, the next target. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 39 or 40.80 levels. Expect 40.60, 40.40. If at all it trades below 40.40, stay short for $40 levels, and then 39.75, 39.50 levels will arrive, the next strongest support zone which silver need to trade below in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.